Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently we have visited Gante Ganpati, which is also known as a Guli Ganpati. It is a beautiful Ganpati temple in Chandaguli, Yellapur district near Shirshi, Karnataka. If you are about to make a trip to Shirshi, I do recommend you to check it out. Visit the place and pray with your heart, and people believe that it will definitely come true. Every devotee who has wished here has it fulfilled, and trust me, you will be amazed to see the number of wells tied in this temple. The feeling of calm relief you will feel at that time is worth it. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you for watching my vlog.